This homework solutions video is for Science and Mechanics, Unit 1, Math Review and Motion, Section 3, Speed and Velocity. Number 1. Find the average speed of a car that travels 225 miles in 4 hours. So with this problem, we are trying to find the average speed of a car. So in order to find speed, we're first going to look at our distance, speed, time formula wheel, because whatever we cover up, that's what we're solving for. So we're covering up speed, and that's equal to distance divided by time. So our speed is equal to the distance divided by a time. So in this problem, the distance is 225 miles. The time that we're traveling is 4 hours. So when we take 225 miles and divide by 4 hours, we end up with about 56.3 miles per hour. Number 2, when driving 70 miles per hour on the interstate, how far do you travel in 6 hours and 15 minutes? So in this problem, the first thing that we're going to recognize is that our time is in hours and minutes, but we need to have consistent units. They need to be the same thing as hours and our speed, so we need to convert the 15 minutes into a fractional part of an hour. So we start out by writing 15 minutes as a fraction over 1. We know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Minutes over minutes cancel. 15 minutes then becomes 0.25 hours. So now the next thing that we need to do is figure out what equation we have to use to solve for how far we are traveling. So again, we will look at the distance, speed, time formula wheel, and now we're trying to find the distance, so we cover that up. We're left with speed times time. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. So in this problem, our speed is 70 miles per hour, and our time is 6 hours and 15 minutes, which we found 15 minutes is 0.25 hours. So our time is 6.25 hours. Multiplying those two numbers together, we get 437.5 miles. However, we need to make sure that we round to 3 significant digits, so we need to round to the ones place. So this becomes 438 miles. Number 3, a bullet travels at a speed of 800 feet per second. How long does it take the bullet to hit a deer that is 50 feet away? So again, we're going to look at our distance, speed, time formula wheel. In this problem, we are trying to solve for a time, how long. So time is equal to our distance divided by the speed. So in this problem, the distance is 50 feet, and the speed is 800 feet per second. So dividing 50 feet by 800 feet per second, we get 0.0625 seconds.